trip on traps, you're unguarded. Skim the facts, try to forget where you started. You don't have to hide what you feel inside. There's a reason, there's a reason. Lay back and lie, enjoy your life.